This cabin is only about 700 square feet. Around it are more than 7.5 million square feet of Atlantic forest. Jaguatirica Cabin is located in Ubatuba, on the coast of São Paulo, Brazil. It was designed as a small retreat for two, with only what is needed to sleep, cook, relax, and stay close to the forest. With that much forest outside, the house does not divide its small interior any further. The bedroom, living area, and kitchen all share one open space. Large doors slide open to the deck, and the forest becomes more than just the view. It makes the cabin feel larger. Along the main facade, the roof extends about 8 feet beyond the glass, protecting the interior from sun and rain. This deep overhang creates a shaded transition between the cabin and the trees. With no hallways or unnecessary partitions, the eye moves straight through the interior and out toward the landscape. The bedroom, living area, and kitchen occupy the same space, while the glass keeps the vegetation constantly in view. Sliding doors open almost the entire facade to the deck. When closed, they preserve the daylight and the view. When open, they let air move through the cabin and make the boundary between indoors and outdoors feel less defined. Inside, the cabin is organized less by walls and more by furniture. The kitchen and dining area are kept compact, leaving the center of the room open and easy to move through. Each activity has its own place, but nothing is completely separated from the rest. The sleeping area follows the same idea. The bed is not hidden inside a closed bedroom. It remains part of the larger space, sharing the same daylight, wood surfaces, and views of the forest. There is also one unexpected detail. Above the outdoor bathtub, a circular opening cuts through the roof and frames the sky. It is a small gesture within a very simple structure, connecting the bath to sunlight, rain, and the surrounding trees. Low furniture and built-in elements help keep the interior visually open. The wood continues across different surfaces, tying the kitchen, dining area, living space, and bedroom together without making the cabin feel crowded. Because everything happens in one room, the interior feels less like a series of separate spaces and more like one continuous setting for daily life: cooking, eating, resting, reading, and sleeping, all within sight of the forest. The construction follows the natural slope of the land and tries to disturb it as little as possible. A steel frame, wood frame walls, and a thermoplastic roof membrane allowed for a lightweight, dry construction process with less waste. The cabin relies on just a few elements: an elevated floor, a broad roof, one open room, and a large opening toward the forest. In the end, Jaguatirica Cabin is a cabin about scale: wood as shelter, glass as openness, the overhang as protection, and the forest as extension. From the outside, it looks like a small volume beneath a long roof. But when the doors open, its 700 square feet meet an entire forest. and the cabin begins to feel much larger than anything contained within its walls.